Hello, in today's video I'm going to show you how to replace this door handler that is broken in this 2012 Ford Fusion. This specific procedure applies to any Fusion for the model year 2010 to 2012. However, if it's not exactly the same, most likely it will be or pretty similar for Fusions from the 2009 year and before. The reason, again, why I'm replacing this is because it's broken, it's not open from inside. The user has to open the door all the time from outside, which is pretty uncomfortable, and this is the part that I'm gonna use to replace this one. And let me show you guys the procedure. To replace this part, I have to remove the door panel, and I'm gonna start here by the door handler. There is a plastic cap here that I have to remove in order to have access to one screw. Now that I have access to the screw, this is a Torx screw, and the bit that I'm going to use is T20. Alright, now it's time to remove this trim. Just for you guys to know in advance, there is a harness that I have to unplug, and this harness is the one that lock or unlock the doors. The next step is going to be remove a screw that is in this handle pocket. There is a plastic at the bottom that I will remove, and then that will expose the screw that I was talking about. And the socket to use for that screw is 932. Now I'm going to remove this control panel. I'm going to use this plastic tool because I don't want to damage the plastic. And once this is snapped off, there will be a harness that I have to unplug, and that will be all. In this side of the door panel, there is another Torx screw, also is T20. I'm gonna remove this guy now. And at the bottom of the door panel, there is another Torx screw here. Again, it's T20. This is the last one that we have to remove. Okay, finally now we can remove the door panel. Now we're gonna remove this bolt here, and the size is 5/16. Okay, to replace this part, basically, there is a wire here. I need to snap the wire off first from this white part. This is a plastic part, and then finally from this side, which is super easy. There is like a space here for the wire to get in and out. And once I do that, basically I grab my new part, and I will follow the same procedure, just going backwards. First I put in place the wire with the new part, obviously, in this part, and then snapping the white plastic in here. That's what I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna put in place the new part. Well, and after this, what it remains is just put everything back together. I'm not gonna really stop to explain too much of those details. I'm gonna show it just in the video. I think for you guys it's gonna be super easy to follow, since it's what we already did. Again, just going backwards. Will be good if you guys stop here and just double check that it's working in the way that it should. it's working fine. I'm gonna place this screw there. Now we connect and place back the string there. Let's place back this plastic cover. Let's not forget about this plastic cover that goes down there in the pocket. Now this screw. And finally, this screw that goes underneath here. Well, and with this we're finishing the video. Now the door handle is working, everything looks fine. And well, I hope this video is useful for you guys, help you to save some money, and if that is the case, I would really appreciate if you click on like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.